This scrub is BERRY-LICIOUS. Want to know how I make mixed berry banana scrub? Then keep on watching. Welcome back to the channel. Subscribe. Click the bell to receive all new posts. Like this video. Benefits of banana for skin. Provides moisture. Controls oily skin. Nature's Botox. Treats acne. Lighten dark spots. Benefits of blackberries for skin. Anti-aging properties. Rich in vitamins. Protects the skin against harmful UV rays. A natural cleanser. Benefits of strawberries for skin. Produces collagen to help prevent wrinkles. Reduces inflammation. Rich in vitamin C. And full of potent antioxidants. Benefits of strawberry extract for skin. Strawberries contain more vitamin C than oranges. They are loaded with antioxidants that fight free radicals. Help control excess oil while reducing inflammation. Use as a brightener to even out your skin tone. Benefits of lemon for skin. Use as an astringent to close your pores. It's rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, magnesium, and potassium. The antiseptic properties exfoliate dead skin cells. The antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities can also help soothe skin irritations. Mixed berry banana scrub recipe. Add at least a half a cup of white sugar. Now add at least a half a cup of sugar cane. Pour 1 to 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. Mix well. Now it's time to pulverize your mixed fruit. Now add 2 tablespoons of mixed fruit to your mixture. Squeeze at least a half a tablespoon of lemon juice. Stir and mixture until all ingredients are incorporated. Your mixture should look like this. Add 4 to 5 drops of strawberry extract. Now add 5 to 6 drops of tea tree oil. Stir mixture well and set aside. The mixed fruit will be the base of our jar. In this segment, we're going to be making the purple and turquoise layers for the scrub. Don't forget to separate your ingredients in equal halves. In 2 separate containers, add a half a cup of white sugar. Now add a half a cup of sugar cane to each container. Pour half of your grapeseed oil in each container. Mix well. Add 1 to 2 drops of purple food coloring. This is a quick tip. If you don't have turquoise food coloring, simply add lemon juice to your purple mixture. And voila! Turquoise food coloring. For a more vibrant color, add 1 to 2 drops of the food coloring. Next, add in 4 to 5 drops of strawberry extract. To both mixtures. Squeeze 5 to 6 drops of tea tree oil. Apply to both mixtures. Mix well. Your mixtures should look like this. Here's a quick look at how I assembled my jar.
Since 1995, growing up, same street, you, me, my ride or die. All the years it would grow us apart.
All decorating items came from the Dollar Tree.
Call you up, how you been? Can we play rewind? Yeah, those are the guys you choose. They don't care, no, like I do. I've been waiting on you. Oh, oh. I've been waiting on you for so long, and it's killing me to see you there with a broken heart. If you knew.
Make sure to check out my new DIY Sugar Scrub playlist. Subscribe for more natural remedies. Click the bell to receive all new posts. Give us a like. Comment below. Share this video.